Welcome to the future of farming, where luxury meets power. Presenting the Mercedes-Maybach luxury tractor, a revolutionary machine designed for those who demand elegance alongside performance. This isn't just any tractor, it's a statement of prestige and innovation. Take a look at the front view. The iconic Maybach grille dominates the fascia, crafted with chrome-finished vertical slats that exude sophistication. LED matrix headlights, inspired by Maybach's signature design, seamlessly integrate into the body, providing unparalleled visibility in all conditions. The aerodynamic hood, sculpted to perfection, houses a powerful twin-turbocharged V12 engine, ensuring that this tractor doesn't just look stunning, it delivers raw, uncompromising power. The Maybach emblem sits proudly, symbolizing the perfect blend of tradition and modern technology. Now, moving to the back view, the craftsmanship continues. The sleek LED taillights mirror the elegance of a luxury sedan, while the reinforced Maybach branded tow hitch ensures maximum utility. Hydraulic connections and advanced suspension systems blend seamlessly into the design, offering both function and beauty. The Maybach logo, elegantly embedded into the rear panel, glows softly in the dark, reinforcing its premium identity. Dual exhaust outlets, finely integrated into the lower bumper, give a hint of the immense power that lies within. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an interior unlike anything the agricultural world has ever seen. The cabin is a masterpiece of comfort and technology. Premium Napa leather seats, finished with Maybach embroidery, offer massaging, heating, and cooling functions, ensuring maximum comfort during long hours in the field. The dashboard features a panoramic dual-screen display, running Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system with AI-powered voice control. The steering wheel, wrapped in soft Alcantara and detailed with gold accents, provides an intuitive driving experience. A Burmester surround sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio, making every ride a first-class experience. Ambient lighting, customizable in 64 colors, enhances the luxurious atmosphere, while a refrigerator and champagne holder in the central console add an exclusive touch. Looking at the side view, the design is truly breathtaking. The sculpted body lines, seamlessly merging with carbon fiber accents, reflect both strength and elegance. Oversized chrome Maybach wheels, wrapped in all-terrain performance tires, ensure stability and control on any surface. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to terrain changes, providing a smooth, effortless ride. The retractable side steps, illuminated with the Maybach emblem, offer easy access to the cabin, making entry and exit as graceful as stepping into a high-end limousine. The side exhaust vents, subtly integrated into the sculpted fenders, add a sporty yet refined touch, emphasizing the powerful nature of this luxury machine. This Mercedes-Maybach luxury tractor isn't just a farm vehicle, it's an engineering marvel. Every detail, from its handcrafted interior to its state-of-the-art autonomous driving system, is designed for those who demand excellence. Whether plowing the fields or making a grand entrance at an agricultural expo, this tractor sets new standards in luxury and performance. The future of farming is here, redefining what's possible with innovation, power, and elegance. Experience the Maybach difference, where farming meets first-class luxury. Subscribe for more exclusive automotive content, and let us know in the comments, would you take this beast for a ride?